guys, it's Nat. Welcome to my YouTube debut. I just got a new camera today and we're testing it out. I'm doing an oil change on the S. I go to see in like 2 weeks. I'm dropping it off at the shop tomorrow for a color change. It's gonna get a wrap and a new windshield and some new tint. So I'm so excited to have like basically a fresh car. We're gonna move the car now. Now that I'm done fucking around, time to actually move this car. Show you guys the engine bay. It is pretty dirty. I'm not gonna even worry about it. I don't clean the engine. No excuses, I just don't. Sorry about that.
I have a question. Are you like an influencer or something? Yeah, I've been seeing you do the different things with the video and stuff. So I just see you like doing all these different things all the time, and I always see you like.
Did my car get lower? I have Mobile 110 W30. Let's get this. Let's screen this. Ah! I did not expect it to come out already. Yum. Okay, filter is right in here. Okay, old filter is out. We're gonna take this, line it with the new oil. Oil's in, filter is in. Let's make sure it's not leaking. Drain plug is in. I'm not seeing anything dripping, so I think that's a good sign. Before I go, I want to show you guys. Let me turn on the light really quick. Let me show you guys my mosquito bites, because when I say mosquitoes love my blood, they love my fucking blood. You guys see that? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over here. That's 8. And look at my back. 9 right there. 19. Oh, 21, 22. My feet too. 29, 30. Anyways, okay, now I'm gonna go. Bye, like, comment, subscribe. Send prayers for my mosquito bites because I'm dying right now.